Welcome to my channel, where we break down the psychology of growth, confidence, and self-respect. Let me ask you something real. What if the habits you do every day, the ones that feel harmless, normal, even smart, are actually making you less intelligent over time? Because intelligence isn't just about IQ or how fast you think. It's about how you live, how you handle information, and how you train your brain to think clearly. And most people, without even realizing it, are slowly dulling that ability. So today, we're going to talk about everyday habits that quietly lower your intelligence, the kind that steal your focus, weaken your memory, and limit how deeply you think. Let's get into it. The first one involves your constant search for distractions. You can't sit still for 5 minutes without checking your phone, refreshing a feed, or opening another tab. Your brain has been trained to avoid boredom at all costs. But here's the thing. Boredom is where intelligence grows. When you're bored, your mind starts connecting ideas. It starts problem solving. That's how creativity and deep thinking are born. But when you constantly feed it shallow stimulation, videos, gossip, endless scrolling, you're teaching it to expect instant dopamine instead of long focus. Think about it. The smartest people in history didn't come up with great ideas while distracted. They thought deeply because their minds were quiet enough to wander. So, if you can't handle silence, you're not just losing focus. You're lowering your brain's ability to think deeply. Start small. Next time you're waiting in line or walking somewhere, don't touch your phone. Let your brain breathe. That's how you start rewiring it for real intelligence. The second habit? You talk more than you listen. You might not notice it, but when you interrupt people, argue just to win, or assume you already know the answer, you stop learning. Intelligent people listen more than they speak. They understand that every individual, even those they disagree with, has the potential to impart knowledge. Low intelligence isn't about lacking knowledge. It's about refusing to gain new knowledge. You can always spot the difference. The loudest person in the room is often the least self-aware. The quiet one, they're observing, processing, and connecting the dots. Listening doesn't just make you smarter, it makes you wiser. It gives you perspectives your ego would otherwise block. So next time you're in a conversation, pause before speaking. Ask questions. Don't rush to prove a point. Your goal isn't to sound intelligent, it's to become intelligent. The third habit, you avoid challenges that make you feel dumb. You start something new, a skill, a book, a project, and the moment it feels hard, you quit. That's not laziness, that's fear. Fear of looking stupid, fear of not being good right away. But here's the truth. Intelligence grows through struggle. Your brain is like a muscle. If you never push it past comfort, it never grows stronger. When you avoid hard things, you stay mentally soft. Over time, your mind loses the ability to adapt, solve problems, and create. Meanwhile, the people who embrace confusion and failure become sharper, faster, and more capable. They see difficulty as training, not embarrassment. So when you feel dumb, don't run. That's the exact moment your brain is trying to get smarter. Lean into that discomfort. That's how real intelligence is built. The fourth habit, you think you already know enough. This one's sneaky. It shows up as pride or fake confidence. When you stop being curious because you think you've figured life out. You stop asking questions. You stop reading deeply. You rely on opinions instead of understanding. Slowly, your thinking becomes lazy and narrow. Smart people never assume they're the smartest in the room. They're curious like beginners, always questioning, always testing their beliefs. That humility keeps their minds alive. So ask yourself, when was the last time you changed your mind about something important? If it's been a while, it might not be because you're right. It might be because you've stopped thinking deeply. It might be because you've stopped growing. Let's bring this all together. Low intelligence doesn't come from genetics or luck. It comes from habits that numb your thinking. Distraction kills focus. Talking too much kills learning. Avoiding hard things kills growth. And pride kills curiosity. If you can start noticing and breaking even one of these patterns, your intelligence will rise naturally, not by forcing it, but by freeing it. Because being intelligent isn't about knowing everything. It's about staying curious, disciplined, and humble enough to keep learning, even when it's uncomfortable. Stay strong, stay clear, and keep growing.